listen.
We are going to kill them. We are going to kill them.
Just
Don't
listen.
say that. Now we want to do Tuba mani, matunda ne batunda ne bavawo ne batunda ne bagusa nafa ne mwekomya. Omutima mubi gwawa. Ochimanyi omanyi kumanya nnyo. Batunda ne bamalawo wadde mwekomya.
Leero kedde bulungi ne ngenda mu kyaki. Ngenze kukomawo ssaawa nga 7:08 ng'ekkubo lyange baligadde. Maze ebbanga nga neekubira enduulu, twekubira enduulu teri abatuyamba. Kati abantu bazze ne same people namanya Isaac azze ne Greda naggalawo ekkubo siina nawe mpitira olwaleero. Era kuva ku makya ngezaako kunoonya poliisi, nkubidde LCs, nkubidde poliisi teri anyamba. Poliisi DPC Kabalagala bino ebintu abimanyiiko. But was instead of kutuyamba abawadde buwi protection nagamba nti mbu status quo. Someone asobola kujja naggala ekkubo ly'omuntu n'ogamba status quo. Kale twagala obuyambo obusingawo. RCC yajja n'ayimiriza wano n'agamba bakole report. National Water nejja ne sima pipe z'amazzi zonna ziri wano, it's a road reserve erimu pipes. Ne balaba tanka pipe z'amazzi zonna ziri waggulu enene nnyo. But abantu bano basazeewo ne basalawo bakole ki? Bazibe ekkubo bazimbewo, bagenda kuzimbawo. Kale twagala obuyambo obusingawo. Otherwise tugenda kukola ki? Ebizibu bigenda kubeera wano kubanga teri atuyamba. Ne bwe tuwogerawa teri atuyamba. Tugezezaako. Town kiraka gwe twakubira ye mwenyini bakola ekkubo eryo ne bagamba terisaana nga tulina conflict nga agimanyi ate yajja buzi instead n'akola ki? N'agamba nti ekifo kinene nti bayitirewo ndaba n'eri yonna wanene waalaba waliwo ne court order, waliwo n'amakubo agasuuka mulimu. Kati basazeewo kunoonya Kasimolo access road bagiwa omuntu omu ayitirawo waggulu. But aba wano wona wali court order babazibiddeyo. Kati laba siina nawe mpitira banzibiddeyo olwaleero, simanyi ne wengenda kusula olwaleero.
Ogenzeko ku poliisi egamba
tusoose ne tugenda ku poliisi eriroko ne tugamba nti yo ekola nga balina order kuva wa DPC ow'Ekabalagala Mr. Mafundo. Kati Mr. Mafundo bwe tukubidde RCC omupya n'amugamba nti kange nasindika abantu bwe bazze wano ne bagamba status quo kasita mulina we muyitira. Tebamanyi nti waliwo court order ate tebamanyi nti people were accessing more than one. Kati bazibiddeyo abamu ne baggulirawo omuntu omu yeka ayitira sayidi y'ekyemu.
Bantu bameka abatagenda
bagaliddeyo abantu babiri. Kati fe abookusatu abayitira wali batadde kwa small access road yo tasobola nakutandingirako emmotoka enene ke bali mu kuggulawo. Twagala oluguudo lwaffe luddemu era tugenda tuleese ekigulede eddemu etuggulirewo wano. Kati waliwo osi we Muyenga gwe bayita Ben azze na orderinga ngu grade eveewo egende. Kati tugenda kusula wanga tetulina we tuyitira. Osi we Muyenga ave mu nsonga zino omupya yakajja tazimanyi bamukoseza bukozesi. Bali bamalese ne bamutwala mmotoka ye ne bamutuuza agenze kuvaamu ng'ayogera birimi. Twagala ebintu bino baveemu corruption balabe ekituufu ekiriwo.
Eyitirewa. Oyina kuyitira ekkubo baalizibye.
Madam ekkubo baliyita bateeri.
Bayise panorama close. N'ekkubo liyitirwa under my business. How can you open a road and you know that it's Panorama Road, then you close it and you call it, they first called it Rubega Road. We don't have any neighbor called Rubega here. Someone comes from the ghost office, acquires a title, even calls a road by his name when he doesn't stay at the place. What is this? Which type of corruption is this? This whole thing started with Mr. Nsibambi. Nsibambi with his office and his Kachiko, they are the ones who created this title. They created this title. I went to his office. I complained. I even reached and gave him a letter when I was telling him that you are creating a title on the road. He refused to receive my letter. Other officers nearby, fiscal planning and everybody, they received. He refused himself. You see where it has made us reach.
Which is
I am here, but you listen to all of us.
I'm here
you can't say
to sort out. I am here to sort out this issue.
Okay,
and
sort it out, but we don't want biased. We don't want biased statements. Like us, all of you will access. No, you know people were entering from here, and this road you have been with.
You know what happens, Bismillah? We can manage yours. We have come to sort this, and I want us to keep calm. We are not here to shout, members. Secondly, if you listen, the biggest challenge is wanting to hear what is on your side.
Not to
Which
that.
is a
Even
very big
me, that's why I
problem.
don't want to hear
And
someone saying that
someone,
they'll accept.
let me tell
It is
you now,
biased from
what I'm
that
saying
there.
is-
You can't say that we'll access, we'll access.
You know-
You first know where we have been passing.
Good
You are the ones who made this plan.
I don't know what happened to
You are the
neighbors.
ones who made this plan.
Can you avail us with a copy of your title, madam?
She has it already.
I've given
Is
it
it in
to
her
her.
name?
Now
It is
we are
already
going.
there.
Now for
It's you
her.
who
Even if
planned
it is
this
not
thing.
her
Now it is
He's
you
your dad.
to give us that.
Know what these people, we don't know where Mr. Isaac and Abimanya works. He comes in a weekend, he uses government vehicles, started using police. When you call police, they say, that's Salim Sari's son. Salim Sari, come and help us. If you have a lot of land, give your son land, say that he leaves our access road. Because if you are a son of Salim Sari, we know is a person that can't do this. But he uses his name, he has bribed other officers, some people fear him, and then you see what he has done. Even he finds me on the way, he phoned me when I'm from church, he's telling me, I've already closed your road. Now how can you tell me that you have closed my road? And I didn't know, I thought he was joking, now it's closed. So I want my road open.
Now that it's being blocked, how are you going to access your home?
I don't know, I have to get people to open my road. Either I have to get a grader also and open, or get people to open my road. I can't access my place. We have tried, we can't call police. I called the LC1. The LC told me that he can't do anything. He doesn't also know what is happening. And he has not helped. I called the LC2, it is the same. We call police, nothing. So I'm going to open it, so you'll know what will follow.